Here comes another freebie. Question number 3. Given 7x plus 2 greater than or equal to 58, which number is not in the solution set? So let's do it the by hand way first. I take my inequality and I'm going to solve it for x. So I treat this like a regular inequality, so I do a PCVNA. There's no parentheses, no combined like terms. My variables are on one side, so I have to move my numbers. I have to ask myself, how do I get rid of a plus 2? I subtract 2. 58 minus 2 is 56. So now I divide both sides of my inequality by 7, and I get x to be greater than or equal to 8. So if I were to graph this solution on a number line, it would look something like this. I'd have a closed circle, and I would shade all the way to the right. So all of these numbers right here are in my solution. So I can have like a 9, a 10, an 11, a million, whatever. However, if I have like a 0, that would not be in my solution because it's not shaded. So if I look, 8 is in my solution, 10 is in my solution, and 12 is in my solution, because those are all numbers that are larger than or equal to 8. So if I look, it has to be choice 1. Now, there has to be a different way to solve this problem. And there is. You can simply plug in each answer choice. So if I wanted to, I can plug in that number 6. So let's do 7x plus 2 greater than or equal to 58. I'm only going to do it on that answer choice because I know it's choice 1. So I have 7 times 6 plus 2 greater than or equal to 58. Well, 7 times 6 is 42. Plus 2 greater than or equal to 58. 42 plus 2 is 44, which is not greater than or equal to 58. So that's false. You also could have just used your calculator. I go to y equals, and I type in 7x plus 2. And I'm going to do second graph, and I'm going to look at choice number 1. At number 6, I have 44, which is not greater than or equal to 58. If I go to the number 8, I have 58, which is greater than or equal to 58. If I plug in 10, I have 72. And if I plug in 12, I have 86. All those numbers are greater than or equal to 58. This means 6 is not in your solution set.